just realized that I did everything right in my career. I went to school, went to great high school, graduated at the top of the class, went to college, graduated at the top of that class, went to grad school, graduated at the top of that, got married, then had children, got a great job, and I'm still not fully prepared for life. I'm still not where I am when I want to be financially. And I'm here reading this book and realizing that is not uncommon, that a lot of us were not prepared to fail. We do everything right and by the book and are not completely on track to where we want to be. So what a learning experience I'm getting. But what hope I have because of Beachbody as a company. It is a multi-level helping company, what they call a network marketing company, something that I would never have looked at in my traditional career. But yeah, I've been blessed to stumble across this opportunity and get hooked up by what I've learned and what I am learning about my future and how residual income is not an option, something that you need in order to survive in this world. And I'm just excited to be learning and hopefully sharing and giving some eye-opening and awakening moments to a lot of you to recognize that you're not as prepared as you'd like to be for your future, and just to be okay with that, but just take the steps to make it better. So, here's my thoughts on this book. I'm going to continue reading. Wish me luck.